Hey ScoopBuddy fam, imagine owning a business that operates smoothly, generates profits, and grows, even when you're not actively managing it. This is the dream of many entrepreneurs, but few know how to achieve it. In this video, we'll break down the key steps to building a business that runs without you, so you can enjoy financial freedom while focusing on new opportunities or personal time. Step 1. Systematize everything. For a business to operate independently, every process needs to be documented and systematized. Create clear, step-by-step workflows for all key operations, from customer service to inventory management. Use tools like SOPs, standard operating procedures, checklists, and automation software to ensure consistency in operations. The goal is to make sure anyone can step in and follow the process without your direct involvement. Regularly update these processes to adapt to changes and improve efficiency. Step 2. Build a strong team. Hiring the right people is essential for a self-sustaining business. Focus on finding skilled, reliable employees who can take ownership of their roles. Train them well, provide clear expectations, and empower them to make decisions. A competent team will reduce the need for constant supervision and allow the business to function without you. Foster a strong company culture to boost employee motivation and retention. Step 3. Delegate and Automate. Many entrepreneurs struggle to let go of tasks, but delegation is key to scaling a business. Assign responsibilities to managers or team leaders who can oversee daily operations. Additionally, leverage automation tools for tasks like accounting, marketing, and customer service. The more you automate and delegate, the less your business will rely on you. Conduct periodic check-ins to ensure delegated tasks are executed effectively. Step 4. Create a scalable business model. A business that depends too much on your personal involvement is not scalable. Develop a business model that can grow without requiring you to handle every detail. Subscription-based models, franchising, or licensing are great ways to scale while maintaining consistency. Focus on building systems that allow for expansion with minimal intervention from you. Ensure your business can adapt to market trends to sustain long-term growth. Step 5. Financial independence and cash flow management. A business cannot sustain itself without proper financial management. Ensure you have multiple revenue streams, maintain a strong cash flow, and reinvest profits wisely. Automate billing and payments to reduce financial workload and set up clear financial reporting so you can monitor performance from a distance. Have an emergency fund to handle unexpected financial challenges. Step 6. Implement key performance indicators, KPIs. To stay informed about your business without being involved in daily operations, track KPIs that reflect its health and growth. Metrics like sales conversion rates, customer satisfaction scores, and employee productivity can help you make data-driven decisions without needing to be on site. Use dashboards and automated reports to keep track of progress effortlessly. Step 7. Test and step away. Gradually, to ensure your business can run without you, take short breaks and test how well your team handles operations. Start with a few days away, then increase the time gradually. Observe how problems are handled and make adjustments as needed. This will build confidence in your team while proving that the business can function independently. Document lessons learned from these tests to refine your systems further. Building a business that runs without you takes time, but with the right systems, team, and automation in place, it's entirely possible. By creating efficient processes, delegating responsibilities, and ensuring financial stability, you can enjoy the freedom of owning a business without being tied to its daily operations.